Define classification of rivers. Rivers have been classified by many bases containing their topography, their biotic status, their relevance to white water transformation or canoeing actions. Topographical classification. These rivers are generally classified as alluvial, bedrock, or mix of them. Alluvial rivers possess floodplains and channels that are self-made. Bedrock rivers form when the river down cuts and fall. Biotic classification. Classification based on biotic conditions allocate classes from the most oligopolistic or unpolluted through to the most extraposition or polluted. White water classification. Rate the challenges of navigation. Stream order classification. It is based on the connectivity. 80% of the streams and rivers in the world belong to first and second order. Related term is